you!
All right, so dig in the straw, you move on. Go get a Bud Light. All right, Team Bud Light. Where the hell y'all at? I bet neither one of y'all ain't ever seen a Bud Light. Airline. Just y'all two, right? Because there's like 4 names there. Anyway, let's go. DJ. On deck. Ill Bill, you're on deck. And BN Styles, first level. Next up, let's go. Roll up. That means one of y'all 4. Stand now. And Team Bud Light. Bud Light in the building. Kids in the cipher, y'all next with Flavor Militia right now. Is it Q Cole? Is it Q Cole? Is it Q Cole? He in Styles. Oh, be in, where y'all at? Be in. Be in. We want to know what the B and the N stands for. Abby, what does the B and the N stand for? Equal opportunity on the left. Let's go. Who's up? Hey, if your feet are over the tape, the black tape on the mat, don't kill the messenger. The judges told me that. Flavor Militia. Where you left, Flavor Militia? Kids in the cycle.